So hi guys, this is me Anshat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to build a contactless sanitizer dispenser. You can see that as soon as we place our hand under the dispenser, the sanitizer get dispensed and you can sanitize your hand. So here is a 3D model of the sanitizer dispenser that I have designed before building it to visualize how it should look and to get an exact idea of the required dimension. So here we have the front plate, so which is used to hold the indication LED, and here we have a top plate which will be screwed to the box so that we can remove it and do the maintenance. So this tray is used to hold the sanitizer which is from the dispenser. And let's go into the back view. So here in the back we have a back plate which is used to as a hang to the wall, and here we have a backplate which can be slided through the rail so that we can easily refill the bottle. So yeah, I have prepared a draft file of the 3D model. So it's in a for PDF format. So here are all the required dimensions mentioned here, which I'll be attaching into the description, so you can access from there. Now let's have a look into the components required for the project. We need an empty bottle. We need a phone adapter of 5 volt, 5 watt. We need a DC pump to pump the sanitizer and some glue to stick the acrylic sheet. Acrylic sheet has to be contained to the defined measurement given in the PDF. And we need some switches, some IR sensors to detect the hand, and transistors, resistors, and we need some LEDs for the indication purpose. Now let's have a look into the circuit diagram. We have to build the circuit in this manner, and once it's built, please recheck the circuit. I have attached the circuit diagram in the description. Please make use of it. So without wasting any time, let's start making the dispenser. Let's begin.